Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into how to buy the ASTERINU token, a new crypto coin, and we'll provide clear instructions for navigating the process. We'll be focusing on key platforms like MEXC, BNB, the Binance Smart Chain, and PancakeSwap. Oh, what exactly is ASTERINU? It's a cryptocurrency token, and we'll briefly touch on its use case or potential benefits. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. EXT, let's understand the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. It's the blockchain that ASTERINU is built on. The BSC offers benefits like low transaction fees and faster transaction speeds, making it a great choice. By ASTERINU, you'll need Binance Coin or BNB. You can purchase BNB on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or other reputable platforms. Once you have BNB, you'll need to transfer it to your crypto wallet. Speaking of wallets, you'll need to set up a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Download and install the extension or app, create a new wallet, and be sure to securely store your seed phrase. Then, add the Binance Smart Chain network to your wallet by entering these details. For the network name, use Smart Chain. For the new RPC URL, use https://bscdatac.binance.org/. The chain ID is 56, the symbol is BNB, and the block explorer URL is https://scan.com. Let's get to buying ASTERINU on PancakeSwap. First, access PancakeSwap at pancakeswap.finance and connect your wallet. Swap your BNB for ASTERINU by selecting BNB as the from currency and finding ASTERINU using its contract address, which is very important. Set the slippage tolerance, we recommend between 3 to 5%, and then confirm the swap transaction. After the swap, you can view ASTERINU in your wallet by adding the contract address for it to display. If applicable, you can also buy ASTERINU on MEXC. Create an account, complete the KYC verification if required, and deposit BNB or USDT into your MEXC account. Find the $ASTERINU/BNB or $ASTERINU/USDT trading pair, place a buy order for ASTERINU, and optionally, withdraw ASTERINU to your wallet. T is crucial to verify the ASTERINU contract address. Find the official contract address on the official website or social media, and compare it to the one used on PancakeSwap or MEXC to ensure you're trading the correct token. Remember, cryptocurrencies are volatile, and there's potential for scams. Always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, we've covered the steps to buy ASTERINU. We encourage you to do your own research and find more information on the official website or social media links. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.